Hey there and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Changes by XXXTentacion. Now before we can play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 3 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those 3 chords are C major, A minor, and E minor. If you know how to play those 3 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the learned portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. The next chord is going to be A minor. To play that, just take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. And our last chord for this song is E minor. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 4th fret. This is E minor. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this song. It's just going to be C major for 8 beats, A minor for 8 beats, and E minor for 16 beats. Let's play through that progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this song. It's just going to be down strums on every single beat, and you're going to emphasize the 3rd beat of each measure. It should sound something like this. Down, down, strong, down, 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 strong, down, 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 strong, down, 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 strong, down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play that strumming pattern now on the C major chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's add the chord progression with that strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Changes. Girl, you're making it hard for me. Girl, you're making it hard for me. Girl, you're making it hard for me. Oh, girl, you're making it hard for me. Girl, you're making it hard for me. Girl, you're making it hard for me. Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage, and the way I feel can't stand it. Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage, and the way I feel can't stand it. Baby, I don't understand this. You're changing, I can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage, and the way I feel can't stand it. Baby, I don't understand it. Now, if you want to play through the rest of that song, then go down in my description box below and click on the link to access the chord chart. And that's how you play Changes by XXXTentacion. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.